In this video tutorial, you will learn how to send Excel spreadsheet file on Microsoft Teams mobile application. So if you have a contact you're chatting with and you want to send a Excel spreadsheet file to him or her, follow me. Let me walk you through on how you can do that, okay?
To send a Excel spreadsheet file to a contact through Microsoft Teams, you need to install the Microsoft Teams first on your iPhone. So I have Teams already installed here, but if you don't have it, install it on your iPhone, okay? Then tap on the Teams app for it to open. Once the Teams app opens, you'll be landed on the chat interface, all right? So tap on this person like icon at the bottom right. Once you do that, a search is open for you to type the name of the contact you want to chat with, you want to send the file to. All right. If it's already in the chat list, just tap on the name, just as Kevin Rowe is on the chat list here. So I will tap on his name. Okay. That's the person I want to send the Excel file to. Then tap on next. Now, this opens the conversation I had previously with him. So, the next step now is to start the sending of the Excel spreadsheet file. Please, if the spreadsheet file was or is in your computer, ensure you already transfer it to your iPhone. Okay, I have a video in this description, in the description of this video, telling you how to move files from your PC to an iPhone. An Excel spreadsheet is one of them. Okay, so here I have my Excel spreadsheet file already on this iPhone. So the next step is to tap on the plus sign at the bottom left. This shows you some options. You can see one of the options here is attach. So tap on the attach option. Then this opens the on my iPhone folder, my on my iPhone location of the files app, and also the sub folder there called Acrobat. But I want to source my file from the on my iPhone location precisely. So I will tap on the back button. Okay, I'm landed here. So you know the location of the Excel spreadsheet file in the files app of your iPhone. So get to there. So the one named book 2 is an Excel spreadsheet file. That is why it has the logo E on it. Okay, so let's see if we can get to another Excel spreadsheet file. There, this one named YouTube earnings is another spreadsheet file, and that's what I want to send to him. If we can't find the file, the Excel spreadsheet file you want to send to the person on my iPhone location, please, there are some buttons at the bottom part here. You have recent, you have shared, and you have browse. So you can tap on any of them until you get to the Excel spreadsheet file, and then tap on the file. Okay, so YouTube earnings is what I need to send to this guy. So I will tap on the YouTube earnings. Okay, so you can see it's now placed in the chat area. If the file is large, you may need to wait a little for it to be downloaded into the chat area. Okay, then the next step is tap on the send button, and this file is sent to Kevin Rail, so he will get it from his end. So once he log in on his own Teams app, he will see it whether on the web as a desktop app or a mobile app. So he will see that I sent him this Excel spreadsheet file, and he will then work with it. It is that simple. Okay.
I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to my channel. Here we teach technology, so subscribe to learn as much as you can. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Does it really help you or you need something more? Let me hear what you have to say in the comment section, okay? Hit the like button, the one that points up, so that YouTube will know that this content is helpful and recommend it to more people. If we don't do that, there's no how the system knows that it is a helpful content. To watch more on how to use Microsoft Teams mobile app to complete more tasks, consider watching this. Thank you and see you some other time.